Despite the rain, many found ways to enjoy their weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Just going to aquarium or something like this, and first stop was buying umbrellas. Second stop will be buying some bread with mortadella.
Know how to enjoy this day with the rain, but I can walk with friends or maybe drink something with the friends in a pub, something like that.
Home and study, because I have university and I have lot of things to do. So yeah, I don't have any plans for the weekend.
I'm gonna study mostly because I study in university and in conservatory, so yeah, a lot of catching up to do.
See more people coming in because it's a rainy weekend.
Yes, because it's raining, the people come in. Some people stay at the table because it's raining, so they wait that the raining stops.
To go eat somewhere.
Not really, I think I just relax a bit.
È una meraviglia. Comunque bisogna accontentarsi, non possiamo lamentarci, perché è sempre una lamentela. Quando è caldo perché fa caldo, quando è freddo perché è freddo, quando piove perché piove, e tutto sommato la vita è bella, bisogna godersela.